What if the most viral meme of all time was born on the most powerful blockchain ever built? Introducing Dog on Bitcoin 100% fair drop. No insiders, no dev wallet, no pre-sale, just pure and decentralized. It's not just a token, it's the most engaged meme community. In crypto, millions of impressions, no KOLs, no VCs, just the people. While Wall Street is hoarding Bitcoin through ETFs, retail's priced out, but Dog is the asymmetric play they're all missing. A base layer meme coin with upside built into its DNA. The most decentralized meme in crypto history, not on Ethereum, not on Solana, but on Bitcoin. This isn't just a meme, it's a new